Arguments are underway right now in the trial of a sailor accused of starting that massive fire that destroyed the billion-dollar USS Bonhomme Richard. This is a local story that has made international headlines. CBS 8's Kelly Hessedal joining us live outside Naval Base San Diego. What has happened in court so far, Kelly?
Well, just to set the scene for you, both sides came out swinging today, and because this is a bench trial, attorneys spoke directly to the judge. Now, prosecutors started off by saying, quote, this was a mischievous act performed by a disgruntled sailor aimed at proving a point, while the defense team started off by showing video of Seaman Recruit Ryan Mays crying during an interrogation with investigators to show, hey, this was a 19-year-old kid who was scared, who said during these interviews more than 150 times he didn't do it. Now, prosecutors say Mays had the motive, the opportunity, and the ability to set this fire. They say he was disgruntled, angry at the Navy, angry that he dropped out of Navy SEALs training. He hated deck duty. He didn't want to be there. He didn't care about the ship or his shipmates, and he was going to prove a point. They went on to acknowledge that even though their evidence is all circumstantial, so what? In a lot of arson cases, the evidence is circumstantial. They say they have an eyewitness who says he saw Mays near where the fire started before it started, and the ATF says arson was the cause. Now, the defense hit back saying the government's case is filled with bias, that they ignored any evidence that didn't fit their theory that Mays started this fire. They say that some of the conclusions they drew were not just unreasonable, they're ridiculous. The defense's experts say arson could have been a cause of this fire, but so could have lithium batteries, so could have machinery that was being stored down there. Regarding that government's one eyewitness, Velasco, they point out he was someone whose story changed multiple times, that he was worried other sailors thought he started the fire, while at the same time he was terrified because NCIS was searching his home, going through all of his things. So the defense says Velasco had a motive to point the finger at Mays. So back out here live, we're hearing that closing arguments just wrapped up. The case now goes to the judge, who will deliberate. We'll be out here all day long waiting to hear if there is a verdict, and we will let you know what happens. Kelly Hessedal, CBS 8.